All right, this is number 6 from the quiz, and actually yours might have been in a different order, but you have to write a recursive formula for the sequence below. All right, and so when we do a recursive formula, there's really just two parts. You have to list the first term, a1, the value of the first term, and then you list an using the previous term, which they indicate with n minus 1. So basically, you're saying like if you do the fifth term, you'd use the fourth term. Right, that's kind of how recursive works. So basically, we look at this, we could say, well, we could find the sixth term by taking the fifth term and minusing 6. Okay, so what that just means is say that the next term is the previous term minus 6. Right, that's how you find the next term, an. All right, and then you also have to say, well, this is going down by 6 each time, but where did you start? And so that's what you do with the first term. You just list the 12. So these two parts together make up the recursive formula, giving us the answer of A. All right, hope that helps.